Number 1. 1988 Chevrolet 2500, $3,500, Estancia, New Mexico. This 1988 Chevrolet 2500 is a solid heavy-duty classic pickup powered by the dependable 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a floor-shift manual transmission. With 174,000 miles and a clean title, this truck appears to have been properly maintained over the years. Recent upgrades including new brakes, tune-up, and 10-ply radial tires make it a reliable daily driver or work truck. Square-body Chevrolet trucks from the late 1980s remain popular for their rugged durability, simple mechanical design, and strong aftermarket support. Number 2, 1969 Ford Ranchero, $4,500, Marysville, Washington. This 1969 Ford Ranchero combines late 1960s muscle car styling with pickup practicality. Powered by a 302 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, it offers smooth cruising and classic Ford performance. The clean interior, original owner history, and included owner's manual add collectible value. Although it has been sitting for several years and needs brake and fuel system work, the Ranchero remains a promising restoration project with strong vintage appeal. Number 3, 1989 Toyota pickup 4x4, $6,000, Troy, Montana. This 1989 Toyota pickup is a highly desirable compact four-wheel drive truck known for legendary reliability and durability. Equipped with the famous 22RE fuel-injected engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and front and rear lockers, this truck is built for serious off-road use. The rust-free body and solid undercarriage are major highlights, especially for a Montana vehicle. Classic Toyota pickups from the 1980s continue to rise in value because of their toughness and strong reputation worldwide. Number 4, 1985 Toyota pickup 4x4, $10,000, Flagstaff, Arizona. This 1985 Toyota pickup is a heavily modified off-road classic featuring a 6-inch lift kit, dual steering stabilizers, rear locker, and aggressive 5.29 gearing. Rebuilt axles with low miles add confidence for future trail use. Toyota trucks from this era are respected for their lightweight design, simple mechanics, and incredible off-road capability. While the body has some rust, the truck remains mechanically strong and ready for serious outdoor adventures. Number 5, 1987 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed, $8,800, Kennewick, Washington. This 1987 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed blends classic square body styling with modern performance, thanks to its 5.3-liter LS V8 engine swap. Fuel injection, aluminum radiator, electric fans, headers, and dual exhaust improve both reliability and power. The lowered stance and rally wheels give the truck a clean street truck appearance. Factory short-bed square-body trucks are highly collectible today, especially when combined with popular LS performance upgrades. Number 6. 1988 Ford F-150 Custom, $8,900, Caldwell, Idaho. This 1988 Ford F-150 Custom is a very well-maintained classic pickup powered by Ford's legendary 4.9-liter inline 6-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transmission. The truck has received extensive maintenance, including clutch components, fuel pumps, suspension parts, steering components, cooling system upgrades, and ignition work. Known for long-term durability and strong low-end torque, these inline-6 Ford trucks remain respected among classic truck enthusiasts and collectors. Number 7. 1997 Dodge Ram Sport 1500 4x4, $900, Federal Way, Washington. This 1997 Dodge Ram Sport 1500 is an affordable project truck featuring the strong 5.2-liter Magnum V8 engine and 4-wheel drive system. The truck runs well but requires transmission and electrical repairs related to the speed sensor system. The straight body, decent interior, and aggressive all-terrain tires help maintain its value. Second-generation Dodge Rams became iconic for their bold, semi-truck-inspired styling and powerful road presence. Number 8. 1978 GMC Sierra 3500 4x4 dually flatbed, $6,500, Mount Spokane, Washington. This 1978 GMC Sierra 3500 is a rugged heavy-duty dually built for serious work and utility. Powered by a 350 cubic inch small block V8 and 4-speed manual transmission, the truck also features a PTO winch and restored flatbed. While some rust and power steering leaks are present, the truck reportedly runs strong and drives well. Vintage 4-wheel drive dually trucks from the 1970s are becoming increasingly difficult to find in usable condition. Number 9. 1951 Dodge B3C pickup, $17,500, Westlake Village, California. This 1951 Dodge B3C pickup is a beautifully preserved post-war classic with extensive recent restoration work. The original inline 6-cylinder engine and floor-shift transmission maintain its authentic vintage feel, while upgrades including rebuilt steering, clutch, brakes, radiator, and rear axle improve drivability. The original patina paint, oak bed floor, and rust-free condition add tremendous collector appeal. Early 1950s, Dodge trucks are admired for their durability, simplicity, and timeless styling. Number 10. 1971 GMC 1500 long bed, $7,000, Santa Fe, New Mexico. This 1971 GMC 1500 long bed is a solid classic pickup powered by a strong 402 cubic inch V8 engine paired with the reliable Turbo 400 automatic transmission. Although the truck has not been restored and needs cosmetic attention, it remains mechanically sound and ready for future improvement. Early 1970s GMC trucks are popular among collectors because of their clean body lines, durable drivetrains, and excellent restoration potential. Number 11. 1968 Ford Ranchero GT, $9,750, Castroville, Texas. This 1968 Ford Ranchero GT is a stylish and sporty classic utility vehicle equipped with a high-performance 302 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. Fresh paint, custom interior, and new wheels and tires give it strong street cruiser appeal. The GT package adds extra collector value and performance heritage. Rancheros from the late 1960s remain popular because they combine muscle car performance with the practicality of a pickup truck.